SERTECPET, we are a company. We have 30 years of experience, more than 30 years of experience. Our core business is jet pumps. We have one of the most innovative and efficient jet pump in the world. We design, manufacture. We do a complete integral solution for the wells. We designed our own software so we can give better efficiency for solutions. And what we do is, for this technology, we go to the problem, we see what the problem is, we tackle it, and we design any type of solution for any type of specific type of problem. That's what we have done for several years in many countries. Yes, so we're showcasing specifically two products this year. One product is the one that we produced with our TTR for Aramco. It's a coil tubing jet pump. Is to replace nitrogen in wells for well kickoffs. Basically what this does is reduce carbon footprint, it reduces the use of nitrogen, it lowers costs, and is very efficient because also we can produce readings after the job. What we're trying to do with our product right now is to also install the idea of doing this on a closed loop system. So we don't have much need of bringing more water or bringing more trucks to the station, so lower the carbon footprint emissions and improve the efficiency overall of the job. So after the TTR, which was the first inquiry that we received, and we performed it with very nice results, let me say. Right now we're waiting for the report so we can finish with the contracts. And after this contract, we will start pushing more products for better inquiries and for tackling more problems within the region. We have around 16 different types of jet pumps. Each jet pump is for a specific type of job. Other than that, those jet pumps are not standard. They are customizable, so the amount of jet pumps can be infinite according to the client's needs. Right now, our main businesses for jet pumps are production. In Saudi Arabia, the kickoff. We're doing lifting jobs, we're doing well testing. Those are the main lines right now. So basically, right now, after performing more kickoff jobs in Saudi Arabia, we really want to start doing production with our jet pumps here, which is a much more efficient artificial lift method, because you can produce metrics, you don't have issues with sand, you don't have that much need of equipment to retrieve or to install. So seriously, in terms of efficiency, in terms of costs, and in terms of carbon footprint, the overall capacity and the overall efficiency of a jet pump is way higher than any other artificial lift system. So in the region, we have performed in Egypt an offshore operation where they had to replace jet pumps every now and then, and it was a problem with the ceilings. So because we manufacture everything from our jet pump, even the ceilings, we eliminated this problem for the customers. The jet pump is still running in offshore. We have also done a job for heavy crude in Egypt as well. And here in the region also, when we did a TTR with water and not nitrogen, we produced metrics that with nitrogen you cannot produce. And of course the job was done in around 18 hours rather than 2 or 3 days that usually it takes with nitrogen. So these are just, a few of the possibilities that we have. We're looking forward to sign the contract and to push more products, especially production, which we know that we can really help Saudi Arabia to achieve their goals in cost efficiency and overall efficiency, because we can also work in depleted wells and we can also work in producing wells. So the versatility is what we want to show here. Everything that we can do with the jet pump, we will bring it here. There are some other countries that are in our scope right now, but right now we're giving our full focus to Saudi Arabia and Egypt mainly. So I know that local component is a main factor. I know that also environmental factor is very important here in Saudi Arabia. So in the environmental factor, as I mentioned, our technology is very environmentally friendly. We can switch diesel to be connected to the grid, lowering the emissions quite a lot. Also, the closed loop systems that I mentioned before, the closed loop system can help reduce the emissions and carbon footprint a lot by the mobilization of materials and equipment. And also in terms of the local component, as soon as we start generating numbers here in the region, we will definitely push to have local manufacturing. You know, we're working with our local agents, so we will do everything we can to have a very strong presence as much as we're needed here in the region. I see clearly that the goals of the country are clear. I see that the Aramco departments are working very hard on visiting and getting to know new companies and new technologies. So I see that the movement and the business overall of the fair has been quite more objective than in previous past, which is I think is pretty good for the country, and it's pretty good for companies that come here to bet on the country as well.